他开玩笑，我喜欢你。
Welcome back. Today we're gonna learn how to form sentences in Chinese. Let's dive in. Simple Chinese sentences have the same word order as English. Subject, verb, object. 我爱你 I love you. 你学中文 You study Chinese. 他喜欢蛇 He likes snakes. But what happens when you add time to a sentence? For example, Tim drinks coffee. Tim 喝咖啡 Tim drinks coffee at 8. In Chinese, it's Tim 8点喝咖啡. The time 8点 comes before the verb 喝. Let's take another example. He plays basketball in the afternoon. In Chinese, it's 他下午打篮球. Again, the time 下午 comes before the verb 打. Now, what if we also want to add a place? Tim drinks coffee at home at 8. In Chinese, it's Tim 8点在家喝咖啡. So the place comes right after the time. Let's look at the other sentence. He plays basketball at school in the afternoon. In Chinese, it's 他下午在学校打篮球. Again, you put the place right after the time. So to recap the rule, we first have the subject, the one who does the action. Then we see when and where the action happens. And at the very end, we see what the action is. Now let's see if you can make this sentence in Chinese. She cooks dinner at home at 6. Right, 她6点在家做晚饭. Remember, the time 6点 and the place 在家 come before the verb 做. Let's try another one. He studies Chinese online every day. 他每天在网上学中文. Alright, now you know how to make basic sentences in Chinese. Easy. But what if you want to form questions? Well, in English, open questions begin with words like who, when, where, and what. In Chinese, these question words don't always appear at the beginning. The good news is that the word order is exactly the same as for statements. Look, Tim 8点在家喝咖啡. To ask a who question, you replace the person with the word for who, 谁. So the question, who drinks coffee at home at 8, would be 谁8点在家喝咖啡. What if you want to ask a question about time? Tim 8点在家喝咖啡. Just replace the time 8点 with the question word when 几点. So, when does Tim drink coffee at home? Would be Tim 几点在家喝咖啡 Now, if you want to ask where Tim drinks coffee, the same rule applies. You put the question word where, 在哪里, in place of 在家. So, where does Tim drink coffee at 8 would be Tim 8点在哪里喝咖啡 What if we want to ask about what he does? We just replace the words drink coffee, 喝咖啡 with do what, 做什么 So the question, what does Tim do at home at 8 would be Tim 8点在家做什么 Now I have a challenge for you. I'll show you a Chinese sentence. Can you turn it into a question? 他10点在学校打篮球 Can you ask, when does he play basketball at school? 他几点在学校打篮球他6点在家做晚饭 Can you ask, what does she do at home at 6? 他6点在家做什么他每天在网上学中文 Can you ask, where does he study Chinese every day? 他每天在哪里学中文 Alright, there you have it. If you have any questions, leave them below. And if you want a summary of this lesson, I'll put the link in the description. 好了，我们下次见。